Hi, today in this YouTube video, I want to discuss about one of the best Java frameworks is Apache Pig. Okay, Apache Pig is a high-level platform for creating programs that run on Apache Hadoop. I already explained in one of my video. Apache Hadoop is used for processing huge volumes of data in distributed environment. Okay, and for this Apache Hadoop, it generally consists of two components. One is MapReduce program, other is HDFS file system. So MapReduce program generally it can be written by multiple programming languages. I told you, right? It can be written using a Java. It can be written using a Python. It can be written using a shell script, or it can be written any other program. So for writing a Apache Pig, for writing MapReduce program, Apache Pig is one of the thing where you can write MapReduce. It would help you to write MapReduce program. So Pig can execute its Hadoop jobs in MapReduce. Okay, Apache Tezar, Apache Spark. Basically, this language for this platform is called Pig Latin. Okay, why they named it as Apache Pig? Because the language for this platform is called as Pig Latin. You can clearly see this here in Wikipedia, right? So Pig Latin abstract the programming from the Java MapReduce CDM into notation, which makes MapReduce programming high level, similar to that SQL programming. We all know that, right? We can also write generally SQL is a structured query language for relational database management system. It is a high level. So in the same way, Pig Latin can be extended using user defined functions as well. Okay, which the user can write in Java, Python, JavaScript, Ruby, Groovy. Okay, they call directly from this language. So Pig, Apache Pig is a very good language because you want to create a high MapReduce programming using a high level instructions. Then you go for Apache Pig. Apache Pig is basically designed to write support MapReduce programming high level, where you can write a MapReduce program using Apache Pig. You can see here simple example. Below is the example of word count program in Pig Latin. Apache Pig, see here what they are doing here. Input lines equal to load, and they are they are actually loading some data, internet, from internet, right? And words, this is simple word count example. We all know we can write the word count example for the MapReduce program using Java or Python. You can see that. So now you see words equal to, for each input lines generate flat run tokenized line. They are tokenizing each and every line and picking each word here, and they are picking filtering the words. You can see filter words by word matches. They are matching the words there, and create a group for each word, and for each word they are creating a group. You can see a word underscore group equal to group keyword filtered underscore group by word. See how simple it is. In the high level, you are the Pig is very useful. Apache Pig is very useful because it is having a lot of predefined, user defined, the keywords you can see there. Apache Pig, this program, how simple it is to write this word count programming, MapReduce program. You can see why they are comparing this SQL structure query language, because you can see the keywords that are used here, the statement that are used here are similar to SQL programming. That is why Apache Pig is very useful. So you want to write a simple MapReduce programming, or if you have some SQL kind of knowledge, then you go for Apache Pig. It would be useful for you. The program will generate parallel executable tasks which can be distributed across multiple machines in Hadoop cluster to the count of number of words in datasets such as all the web pages on the internet. You can see here the program will generate parallel executable tasks over the distributed, okay, across multiple machines in Hadoop cluster. We all know the Hadoop cluster will have the data nodes. The program will generate parallel executable tasks. As we told, whatever the program, whatever the language it is, if you write a MapReduce program, it's Its intention is to get executed across all the nodes in the Hadoop cluster. So that is the thing, right? You can see here they are comparing this pig with SQL. Apache Pig, you can see here, it has nested relational model. It uses a lazy evaluation. It uses extract, transfer, load, ETL concept. Basically, we all know that, right? In data mining, we generally use the ETL concept. In the same way, it works. Okay, is able to store data at any point during the pipeline, declare executable plans. Okay, supports pipeline splits, thus allowing workflows to proceed along with the DAX instead of strictly sequential pipelines. So what I'm saying is Apache Pig programming is very useful. You can see it was initially released September 11, okay, 2008. You can see, but Apache Pig generally, why did they name it? Because it is a Pig Latin. This platform is called Pig Latin. Language for this platform is called Pig Latin. This pig can execute its Hadoop jobs in MapReduce. Okay, how simple it is. You can see the simple example. I explained you the simple example. You can see how many versions are there. Still the latest version 0.18. Latest version is 18 0.18.0. 0 point this pig Apache Pig, which is derived from the Pig Latin, is very useful when you want to write all these Java map reduce programming. I hope this video would be so useful for you, and thank you.